everyone, my name is Katie Laveau and I'm a recruitment specialist with Girl Scouts Lakes and Pines. Today we'll be touring the Laveau Grandview Dairy in Wrenshall, Minnesota.
Hello, my name is Mia and I'm a Girl Scout in Troop 4066 and this is my father. I have no idea how old she is, but she's about old enough so you can start milking her.
Alright, so these are Heifers. They're in a different part of the barn because they haven't had a calf yet and can't be milked.
I think I remember seeing the donuts by the bike trail.
So now that we've explained what a heifer is, these are cows, which means they have had calves and are able to be milked.
They are Holsteins, which is cows that get milked. When cows are laying down, they are sleeping, no matter if their eyes are open or not. And when they're moving, that so means they're sleeping. Wait, Grandpa, explain to us what you're doing.
We're going to put the milker on the cow. You gotta wipe her off first, there's no dirt. Then we attach these to the udder.
Where does the milk go?
Where does the milk go? Up into that line up there and into the milk cows and into the milk tank.
Comes out of the cow, it's about the body temperature of the cow, which is about 100 degrees. And when it comes to the milk tank, it will cool it down to 41 degrees. So on average, a cow will eat about 100 pounds of food a day. They'll also drink about 30 gallons of water a day. Silage is made up of chopped corn that is fermented in either a bag or a silo to preserve the nutrients in it.
This is the bag that holds all of the cow's silage. That's a lot of corn. This is the silo that holds the cow's silage too.
Hey Mia, should we see if our viewers know how many gallons of milk go into 1 gallon of ice cream?
Yeah. If you guessed 3, that's correct.
So the type of milker we use is an automatic detach. As the milk flow slows down, it will automatically release from the cow. It also will tell you how many pounds of milk she's milking, and this is also a good way to see how their flow is, along with if maybe they're getting sick because they aren't producing as much milk. On average, a milking cow will produce 19,700 pounds of milk. That's around 2,300 gallons of milk produced from each cow in the U.S. Hey Mia, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
Vanilla.
Do you know what America's favorite flavor is?
If you guessed vanilla, that's correct. You guys guess how much milk goes in a pound of butter? If you guessed 2.5, that's correct. At a time, about 52 cups. there's actually 120. Some of them are on vacation. I think I remember seeing this one. It was by the bike trail. Minnesota is the seventh largest milking state in the United States. Thanks to two of my farmers.